So guys, I took this buy trade on Boom 500 index and the signal was shared. I'm moving in good profit. So how did I predict the buys at this point? What gave me the buy I did at this zone? We'll be having a market analysis on this index, and I'm showing guys how I was able to catch the buys on this index. So first I went to the daily time frame, and we can see that this index has been creating series of higher highs and higher lows. This index has been on the long-term uptrend, right, which I identified, which I spotted. So our point of focus basically is at this point. So all we have to do is look at for the opportunities in this market zone, and in this market zone we got price creates higher highs and higher lows. We got price be in an uptrend at this point, which I had to spot and identify. So I worked alongside with this market reaction. I always say that whenever the market is trending to the upside, we should focus mainly on buy opportunities, and whenever the market is trending to the downside, we should focus mainly on sell opportunities. Don't mind the noise, I'm recording this video outside. So coming back to this index on the 4-hour time frame, I identified the market direction, the time frame, and had a view on this index, had my point of focus, which is the buy side of the market, right? So we had our levels identified, our levels spotted after identifying the market direction. So we got this level as one of those important levels, those key levels we had, right? You can see how market has reacted on the approach of that level. Whenever market gets to this level, it buys from it. So we got the first buys at this point as a support here, support here, support at this zone, resistance here, support at this point. So this is a key level, the level which we got price buy and sell on. So our next level is at this zone, which I also identified, right? Identified our next zone here. We can see how price sold from as a resistance at this point. For price broke above it, retest here as a support as well. Now we got price come give the buys at this zone as a support. My main buy zone should be at this point, but I couldn't get my entry there. I had to wait for more confirmations on a lower time frame to get my entry. So after price moved to the upside, I had a level spotted, a key level, a level of resistance, because we've seen how price sold here as a resistance. So there before price broke above this level, they retest on it as a support, the price to the upside. So there was a push to this identified zone before they moved to the upside. So I waited patiently for price to break above this key level for me to take my buy trade. So the signal was shared when I saw this market structure, when I knew that this index is going to buy. I was like, if you can get a retest of this identified zone here, if we can get a break and retest of this zone, we'll be taking our buy. So we had a break and retest at this point. See this candlestick that broke, this bullish engulfing candlestick that broke above this level, gave the retest on it. Then we are getting price buy to the upside. I had my entry at this zone, my stop loss at this point, and now I'm moving in good profit. My SL is being moved above my entry to stay safe in the trade. That's break even. I've closed partials in this trade. The signal was shared. The trade is moving nicely well. So my TP level, my first TP has been smashed basically, which I had at this point, and it's been smashed. My first TP has been smashed there. My second TP is likely to get smashed as well at this zone. All right, and my third TP would be at this point. So that's how I was able to take the buy trade on Boom 500 index, working with market price action, identifying the market levels and zones, working alongside with the market's trend. All right, so that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for getting my videos. Chilling me a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day. Peace.